Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can protect or lock your sheet that no one can edit or change your data. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell or sheet which you want to protect. For example, I want to protect these cells or sheet. So after that, you will see review option, so just click on it, and here you can see protect sheet. So after that, here you can see which one you can lock. So you can lock your cells or unlock cell. You can lock all cells. So after that, you will see password. So here you can select any password which you want to keep. So after that, click on OK. So after that, again confirm your password. So write again the password. So after that, click on OK. So after this, when you can change your data, so you can see no one can change or edit data. So after that, if you want to again unprotect sheet, so just again click on unprotect sheet. So here write the password. So after that, click on OK. So after this, you can edit data. So guys, in this way you can protect sheet or lock sheet. So because it is very helpful that no one can change or edit the data. So second method is that select the data. So after that, you will see format cell, and here you can see protect sheet. So here you can also set your password. So after selecting the password, again confirm your password. So after that, you can see whenever I want to change, I cannot change or edit the data. So if you want to edit or change, so again just click on it, and here you can see format cell, and again you will see unprotect sheet. So click on it and again write your password. So after that, click on OK. So now you can edit or change the data. So guys, in this way you can protect your data or sheet in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.